So this is future Leslie editing for the purposes of this video. So basically we're doing like a maintenance vlog because as you can see from the title, I'm going to Dubai. Hope you enjoy the video. It's the next morning from yesterday. I installed this wig. It doesn't look its best right now because obviously it's not been styled, but I will link the video in the description. It might be out before this video, I don't know, but I have my lash appointment at 4:45. my lash tech rescheduled. I was supposed to have a wax this morning, but my friend that does my waxes didn't get back to me, so I'm assuming that that wasn't on the market. So I'm just gonna do a shave. I'm gonna do like a full body shave, and it saves me some money, so that's fine. I've already spent loads of money anyway. I'm gonna clean my room and pack my bags. My lash tech rescheduled my appointment to 4:45. When it was meant to be at 4 o'clock, so now I can't come back home and then take my suitcase away. I have to take my suitcase to my lash appointment with me, which wasn't in my plan, but you know, people seem to think I get everything for free. Like, unless I have made an explicit video about it, I probably paid for it. It's normal. It's normal to, oh guys, look at my pajamas that I got from Primark. Tell me these are not so cute. I'm taking them on holiday with me because I think they're so cute. Okay guys, we're gonna have to completely excuse the state on my desk. I was gonna try to say it's an organised mess. It's not an organised mess. It's a flipping mess. But I don't even know where to angle you guys so y'all can have a better view. So I'm gonna be packing the makeup I'm taking with me. Every time I do pack my makeup, I always literally go in the order that I would. I haven't seen this lip gloss in ages. Oh my god, it's a Kiko 02 3D Hydro Gloss. I literally have not seen this in forever. So I always start off with moisturizing and priming my face. Hair bag. I got some skincare that I'm going to take. Guys, I'm a very simple skincare gal. I don't do too much. Okay, guys, I'm also making sure to pack things for my hair. So, for my hot tools, I'm going to be taking my Phil Smith 32mm barrel curling wand. I'm also going to be taking Remington wide plate straighteners. These two are the two things I swear by when it comes to hot tools with my hair. I really want to try the T3 curling iron, which looks amazing, but this is £23. The T3 is like $140. So that, if I buy that, my hair needs to stay in for 3 weeks. Yeah. I have 3 pairs of heels I'm going to be taking. Yeah, I'm only there for 5 days. I don't need to be doing too much. To be fair, I don't think I need these pink heels. No, I have 3 heels ready. I'm going to take 2 other heels at home. The only heels that I have here that I need are these black ones from Lindsay. And then the trainers I'm going to be taking with me. I'm going to be wearing these Chanel trainers. Hopefully all my shoes fit in here, guys. I don't want problems. Like, I don't actually want problems. I'm thinking of going to the airport in flip-flops, guys. Does that make sense? I'm going to bring 2 pairs because I'm not wearing trainers a lot of the time there. So I'm going to bring 2 pairs of white socks. I've just quickly tinted my eyebrows with the Just For Men beard dye, which I think I'm going to take home. And guys, after about 3 minutes, take off the front. Otherwise, you will be left with black, splodgy eyebrows. I'm also doing a TikTok, so you guys can watch me film on TikTok. I want to take content creating for real. And I just realized that this is not like an easy, just pick up the camera. No, baby, that's not how it works. As you can see, they look so much thicker than what they are, and I don't even have any eyebrows. Let me show you guys the brows. As you can see, they actually look like I have eyebrows. I'm gonna clean up the rest of my room now, put all my electronics in the bag, and see y'all at my lash appointment. Guys, I almost forgot Perfume. It's like my little perfume collection. I don't want to hear it. I'm trying to become a perfume girl, but it's not working in my favor. So I'm definitely going to take my Sol de Janeiro because I'm going to use this after the shower. I'm going to take this Zara Fleur de Patchouli fragrance, which is, honestly to me, so beautiful. I'm also going to take my Tom Ford Black Orchid along with my Miss Dior Absolutely Blooming perfume as well. The last thing I'm actually bringing, because I actually don't know why I keep just forgetting things, I'm going to bring a change of jewellery. I always just wear like Primark earrings and stuff. I want to actually start expanding and get like more expensive earrings and necklaces. But these are these Primark studs. I also have these cute chokers, and I also have a change of hoops because I'm a hoop girl. Why is my cab not booking? Do you guys find that when you want to book a cab to go somewhere and you're like, and you want to be on time, the cab doesn't come? And then when you don't really care about being on time, you just want to basically go somewhere really quickly, the cab's on time? I just tried to call my friend to ask him to book me a cab. He's in a meeting. Really? 8 minutes? I'm going to mix my Bershka Love Hint perfume with my Body Shop Spritz All Mine fragrance. This one is slightly more flowery, but not on the overpowering side. I don't like smelling flowery. I like smelling like a woman. And then this Body Shop one is super fresh. I also like fresh smells, so I have a whole bunch of different smells. My cab. My cab's outside. Just about to leave. Oh my god, I didn't turn the lights off. Ah. Okay. Yeah. Don't forget to lock the door. Let's hope this cab driver is nice enough to help me put my stuff in the cab. Because sometimes they're not that nice. Oh, look at him, he's getting out. Love that. Hello.
Hello, you okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine, thank you. No, it's not heavy.
Not bad, bad, huh?
No, it's not heavy. Do you need help? Thank you.
How I done that?
How much?
Oh,
Well
how much?
done.
Ask me how I done that.
Well done. That's so good.
I'm love.
Amazing.
But in my head, I was just like fireworks in my system.
What time am I going to get there for? 10 minutes. Okay, so 5 o'clock.
Thank God. On to the next.
How's the lighting? The lighting's okay. Let me check. Okay, guys, I'm here with my lash tech. Love you, lashed it. She looks so pretty.
Thank you.
Can I have a 12 to 20?
12 to 20, okay, longer this time.
Yeah, but like, can you make like the end ones like really flicky?
Okay.
Yeah, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna do my lashes now. Talk to you guys later. My camera died on me, but these are my lashes. They look so pretty. I got 12 to 20 millimeters. I don't know if it's volume or cat eye. I mean volume, mega volume or hybrid, but I'm sure you guys will be able to figure it out. I love when my eyebrows are done and my hair's done. It would look so much better with black hair, obviously, which I'm doing tomorrow. But you know, as of right now, the lashes are slaying. I'm gonna get a cab to the station, even though I'm actually quite early to the station. My train's at 7:45 and it's just turned 7 o'clock. The station's like 10 minutes away, so I'm gonna be there by 7:30. I'm gonna go to Tesco first, get a few things to eat on the train, and then go, and that will complete today's part of the maintenance vlog. I'm on my way to my teeth whitening appointment, but I'm so late. It was meant to be at 1:30. I'm gonna get there for 2 o'clock. The reason why I'm this late is because I had exams that were due in today at 4 p.m. and I stayed up all night doing those exams, literally all night. I didn't go to bed, so right now as you see me, I actually haven't slept. It's, what's the time now? It's 1:08. I also need to make a list of things I need to buy today. So buy and do. That was it. I needed to buy new knickers because Yesterday, when you guys saw me pack my underwear, my Lotta mousse, my Lotta body mousse completely spilled all over all my stuff. I texted her, told her I'm gonna be late. I said, hi, I'm gonna be late. I'm gonna come at 2, is that okay? She said, hey, should be fine, but I literally have a client right after, so any time after 2 I won't be able to do. I understand. Why am I still 57 minutes away? I don't think I'm gonna make it to my appointment, you know? I need to be at my place for 2 o'clock. Yeah. Okay. And you guys, I haven't eaten all morning. I haven't eaten a thing today. So I literally bought orange from home. I wanted to go to the shop and get a Red Bull, but I couldn't even make it to the shop. Anyway, I'll update you guys when I get there and when I finish eating my orange. I am in the middle of sorry. Nelly, sorry. It's fun. So I couldn't actually attend my teeth whitening appointment, which was really sad. Makes me really upset. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just go do my nails. I'm just gonna go to a random nail shop, do my nails. They're not gonna turn out shit, but anyway, who cares? Hi. I want to do a full set on my hands and then take off all my toes and then redo them. Guys, I can't actually believe that I missed my teeth whitening appointment. That's really sad, isn't it? I literally had everything planned. I was going to go there and we meant to film content as well, but because of the traffic at London Bridge, I literally missed it. What colour is this called? Pink. Okay guys, look at these. They've given me these options of different like colours I can have. This is way too pink. Like, I know this is too pink. I don't like this. This looks very nude. Like this looks too light. Yeah, can I see what it looks like on my toe? And then if I look like I'll put this one instead. Thank you. I really want to show you my bag of the day. How cute is this? It's from Shein. It was like £11, maybe 11, maybe £10, and I've seen these all over like TikTok. And Ego has one for like 30-something pounds, and I just was not paying that for a bag that doesn't need to be paid £30 for. It's giving Balenciaga, but you know, sometimes you gotta be bougie on a budget. Okay guys, I'm in the hair shop now because remember I said that my mousse had exploded, so I'm gonna get a few hair products in the hair store just to like, you know, bring it with me. I found olive oil super hold wig grip gel. This for like gel because I don't have any gel for my edges anymore. I need a new mousse. I'm not gonna buy another Lotta body mousse because clearly it doesn't work. It runs out, so I'm gonna buy this this mousse, and it's £3.99, which is good as well. Surprisingly, they have like, this hair shop is really organized and they have a whole bunch of stuff. I don't need to get any more spritz, I don't think, so I'm good in that sense. Oh my god guys, look at my nails. Did I even show you? Can you see? They're so perfect. They look, let me show you the back camera. They look so pretty. I also need to buy some black hair dye because I'm going to be dyeing my wig. I'm installing my wig myself, so I need black hair dye. I look like today, guys. My toes look so cute. I don't know if I can show you guys, but yeah. So the hair dye I'm gonna get is Adore Jet Black. Cause yeah, no, I'm gonna get 2 bottles because I don't like to, when I dye the roots, I like to use I like to use separate hair dye to dye the roots.
Ready?
Yeah.
On my day out, that's 16:45. Oh, 1 second.
Thank you. Okay guys, I just decided to sit in McDonald's. Not sit, I got a McDonald's, got a double cheeseburger, large fries and a hot chocolate because it's so cold. I don't have service in here. I'm not too sure why nothing is loading. I'm gonna connect to the Wi-Fi and hopefully that will help. The last part of this maintenance vlog is when I get home, I'm gonna install my wig. Which is gonna look good. And my toes are so cute. I'm gonna get back to you guys when I get home to do my hair. I'm gonna dye it. Maybe I might do like a little montage. But yeah. Yeah, my camera's not working with me, but I just did my hair. It came out so cute. I'm really thinking if I should do some sideburns. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it like this for now and then think about it later. But yeah, look at the melt on there. That's crazy. That's a really good melt. Guys, I also forgot to end the video. So this is the end of my Dubai maintenance vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I promise next time to sort out my camera because I don't know why there's so many like iPhone clips. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment down below and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.